In order to properly read any surface, it is important to follow a number of steps and so ensure an accurate colour reading. First of all, we use a degreaser to clean the area where we intend to use the spectrophotometer. To do this, we can either use a water-based or acrylic degreaser. Soak a microfiber cloth with the chosen degreaser and clean the area thoroughly. Polish the surface where we are going to make the measurement for a much more accurate and distortionless colour reading. To do this, always use a polishing machine instead of polishing manually with a microfiber cloth, as this will ensure even pressure and movement during the work. Concerning the type of polish to be employed, the use of a finishing and shine polish is recommended, avoiding cut or more aggressive polishes, as these can excessively polish the surface, distorting afterwards the reading of the spectrophotometer. The polishing should be done at an appropriate pace, neither fast nor too slow, with steady movements back and forth in different directions on each stage. The polishing process prior to measurements is essential, as the colour of a surface, polished or not, can vary greatly and therefore distort a correct measurement. Once the polishing has been carried out, remove the remains of the polishing paste with a cloth. Use another clean microfiber cloth soaked with water-based degreaser to clean the surface. In this case, it is important to use a water-based degreaser instead of an acrylic one, as the water-based degreaser is less aggressive to the recently applied polish. When the reading surface has been properly cleaned, then we are ready to perform the measurement with the spectrophotometer.